This woman hit a tree while riding her four-wheeler, and now she's at the Flambeau Hospital in Park Falls suffering from multiple injuries. The hospital staff needs to act quickly to keep her alive. This is just one practice scenario in the state's first Rural Trauma Team Development course.
They're very lifelike to what we see in the emergency room here. So a lot of the same type of injuries, we need to make decisions quickly.
The Flambeau Trauma Team only has 15 minutes to assess their patient and decide if the injuries are severe enough to transport them to a larger hospital.
Okay, so what do you want to do with that? We're going to get some suctioning started.
Nurses and doctors say practicing their skills on mannequins hones their skills for a real patient.
Well, think about it. Football teams practice so they become proficient. Every team needs to practice so they become proficient, so they can repeat things in a efficient fashion during times of stress.
Flambeau Hospital is one of the most rural hospitals in the state of Wisconsin. That's why what happens here in their emergency department is so important. It could make the difference between life and death for their patients.
This is nice and quiet today. Generally there's blood. The decibels are about 100. There's someone's urine on the floor. You know, it's not this pretty. So that's if we can practice and when we're organized, then we can do better when it's bad.
You just get to team play, and that's what's real important. It helps everything get organized. So when this really happens, you know what's expected of you, you know what you should be doing.
Because in an emergency, every second counts. Jenny Milkowski, Newswatch 12 Today, Park Falls.